Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Monday, November 30. The Ministry of Health will be carrying out a re-verification exercise to determine whether to proceed with the burial of 65 babies whose bodies have been at the morgues of the Kingston Public and the Victoria Jubilee hospitals. A release from the Health Ministry says that although the records show that all families have signed the consent forms for the state to bury the babies, the ministry will seek further confirmation. Parents are usually given 30 days to decide if they will take responsibility for the burials. If a parent fails to attend a post-mortem, the hospital takes responsibility for the burials. The 65 babies, 38 of whom were stillbirths and the remainder neonatal deaths, have been at the morgues for some time. The Health Ministry says none of the neonatal deaths were as a result of a bacterial outbreak. Following a meeting on Sunday, Health Minister Horace Daly said he was satisfied that the required procedures were followed before an order was given to bury the deceased babies. The management of the Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee hospitals said the removal of the babies' bodies was a natural routine process. 4 schools in central Manchester have received additional classroom blocks to better accommodate students. Classroom blocks at Belair and Mount St. Joseph High Schools will provide 2,000 spaces, while those at Zion Hill and Mackintosh Memorial Primary Schools will cater to over 1,000 pupils. Meanwhile, ground has been broken for the construction of a 12-classroom block at Mandeville Primary and Junior High. That $64 million project is funded by the Caribbean Development Bank and is being overseen by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. Building company Astrom is the contractor. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller says the classroom block, which should be ready by the second quarter of 2016, will officially take the school off the shift system.
This expansion will reduce overcrowding and bring classroom teacher ratio in line with the Ministry of Education standards. Sanitation facilities will also be improved. There will also be increased access for persons with disabilities.
Work has begun on the 2-kilometer roadway used to access the Riverton City disposal site in St. Andrew. The $1.8 million project was launched by local government and community development minister Noel R. Scott on Friday. It's being funded through a grant from the Mexican government and is scheduled to be completed in September 2016. The road, to be laid using concrete, will make it easier for stakeholders to access the disposal site, especially during emergencies.
So this road, coupled with the government's ordering now of 17 new compactors, we'll see a major transformation of how we deal with garbage collection in Jamaica. And as we move forward to the next phase, both the road and the waste-to-energy part of the project, we will be able to move Jamaica now from being just Riverton, just being a dump site, to match with anything anywhere in the world.
The United Nations Office of Project Services will manage and supervise the construction of the Riverton City Access Road. A steering committee will facilitate the smooth implementation of the project, which will provide employment to several residents. The Jamaica Information Service, JIS, copped 2 awards at the Press Association of Jamaica's annual Journalism Awards on Saturday night. Omar Green won the Ken Dawson Award for Videography for the high quality of work on a number of features. He brought his mother on stage with him to receive the award. Meanwhile, Andrew James Sawyers from the Radio Department got the Electronic Award for Excellence in Reporting on Agriculture. And finally, the winners of the JIS Heritage Essay and Poster competitions were crowned at a ceremony at King's House on Friday. Janelle Layla of George Headley Primary walked away with the top prize in the essay competition. Austin Ferguson of Coburn Gardens Primary and Junior High placed second, and Delorna Garrix of Linstead Primary and Junior High got third prize. For the poster competition, Orain Black of Anchovy High got the top prize. Second place went to Abigail Spalding of Arden Preparatory and Extension High, while Jody Levy of the Cartridge College came third. Chief Executive Officer of the JIS, Donna Marie Rowe, says plans are in place to further expand the agency's heritage competitions.
We treasure this competition and intend to invest even more. As such, we are proud to announce that we are working to expand the reach of the competition to include a photography component targeting tertiary students.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.